Hey besties, welcome back to another video. We bring you a compilation of beautiful dark skin makeup tutorials. Dark skin makeup is a whole different kind of magic, and today we're diving straight into it. From flawless foundation matches to bold lips, soft glam, shimmer moments, and melanin glowing transformations. This is all about makeup that celebrates deep, rich skin tones. If you've ever struggled with finding the right products, shades, or techniques that truly flatter dark skin, hopefully this video is going to be your new beauty bestie. So get ready for smooth blends, sharp details, and melanin approved glam looks. Let's jump right into the videos. This technique is perfect if you want a clean, everyday makeup look that still pops on your skin. And for my bold color lovers, here's how to make vibrant eyeshadow shades melt effortlessly into your skin. That's a wrap on today's Melanin Glam compilation. If you loved watching these makeup transformations as much as I loved putting them together, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Comment which look was your favorite or the one you're trying next. Join the family by subscribing to more makeup, hair and nail art ideas, tutorials and compilations. Thanks for watching and keep that melanin growing.